what's up? I hope you guys are doing awesome. So I created this beautiful glam desi sluttery makeup look for Karwa Chauth. So I absolutely love how this makeup look turned out. I feel that this is super traditional as well as modern. So if you want to know how I created this beautiful glowing makeup look, please continue watching. And if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and yes, hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I'm uploading a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started. As usual, I'm starting with my skin prep, and today I'm using Lakme Peach Light Gel Moisturizer, which is super good for skin prep before applying all that heavy makeup. Now I'm going to apply my primer, which is the Maybelline Master Prime Blur and Smooth Primer. This helps to even out your pores and also helps to hide out any redness around your nose or your lips. So I'm just applying it little bit amount and just massaging it into my face. Then I'm going in with my concealer by LA Girl. This is their Pro Concealer in shade Pure Beige. I have recently learned this trick to apply your concealer before applying your foundation, because that helps to make your makeup stay longer, and also it provides you an even base. Applying the concealer around my under eye area, on my chin, around my nose, and little bit on my forehead, and also to hide out any acne spots or pigmentation. After that, I'm going to take a flat foundation brush, and with the help of this brush, I'm going to blend in the concealer very nicely. So I will take a lot of time to blend my concealer, because that is really important if you want your makeup to stay all day long. So I'm just swiping the brush around. I'm not applying a lot of force. This concealer is in any way a very high coverage concealer, and it gives you a flawless looking base. After applying the concealer with the help of the brush, I'm going to take my Damn Beauty Blender by PAC, and I'm just going to even out the concealer to achieve a very nice base. After the concealer, I'm going to do my eyebrows off the camera, and for that I'm using Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. Then I'm going to apply some base to my eyelids before applying any eyeshadow. That makes sure that your eyeshadow color pops out really well, and also it prevents any fallouts. So I'm taking the same Damn Beauty blender and just blending in the concealer. This concealer is in shade light and perfect to apply as a base to your eyeshadow. Then I'm going to bake my under eye area with the help of My Glam translucent powder. So I'm just applying it with the help of the same Damn Beauty blender and just baking my under eye area lightly. I will dust off any excess powder with the help of a powder brush, and then today I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution X Petra eyeshadow palette, and I'm doing a very simple brown gold glitter eyeshadow look. So I've selected a light brown shade and just applying and focusing it into my crease and on my outer corner and inner corner. So I'm using a brush by Sigma. This is their E40 blending brush, and I'm just focusing the light brown shade into my crease on the outer corner and in the inner corner. After that, I'm going to take my liquid glitter eyeshadow by Swiss Beauty and just applying it all over my eyelid. Make sure that the glitter won't go above your eyelid, because that will not look nice, and you need to work your way with this glitter eyeshadow because it can create some fallout. So apply a little bit amount and just dab it with your finger. That will press in the any glitters and will also lessen the fallouts. So I'm applying it all over the eyelid, and then we'll do the same onto my other eye. So after applying this gold glitter liquid eyeshadow, I will also select a golden shade from the same Petra. Will apply the golden color because I feel that this gold color is not standing out, and I need to enhance the gold color as it will match my sari. After the eyeshadows, I'm going to apply a winged eyeliner, and for that I'm using my Makeup Revolution pen eyeliner in jet black color. This pen eyeliner is really affordable and of good quality. Even the beginners can use this pen eyeliner to create the very dramatic winged eyeliner, or just to apply a simple eyeliner. This is really handy and is easy to apply. Then I'm going to finish off this eye look by applying some kajal onto my lower lash line and also on my upper lash line. And after that, I will be smoking out this lower lash line with the help of a pencil brush, and also will be applying the same eyeshadow color which I applied onto my crease. Then I'm going to apply my falsies, and today I'm using a drugstore falsie for that, and have applied it with the help of a pack glue. Then I'm going to apply my foundation, and today I'm using a new foundation by Color Bar. This is their matte long wear foundation, and I saw Malvika Sitlani using this foundation recently in one of her tutorial, and she highly recommended this foundation, so I thought why not to try this out. So I'm just spreading the foundation with the help of a flat brush. Applying the foundation with the help of a brush provides you a better coverage. After spreading the foundation all over my face, I will take a damp beauty blender and I will just work my way with the blender to just make the base very even and flawless. And then I will just move the same blender all over my face and even on my forehead. Then after that, I will be taking my Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and just set some of the area where I usually tend to get oily, which is basically my T-zone. So I will just set all the area around my nose, on my forehead and around my chin. After that, I'm going to apply some bronzer, and for that today I'm using Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. This is one of my favorite bronzer of all time, and this is the only bronzer which I use in all of my tutorial. So I'm just applying it on hollow of my cheeks, on my jawline and also on my forehead, and just using a bronzer flat brush to apply it all over my jawline. This bronzer has such a nice buttery texture, and it is super easy to apply and to blend into your skin. Then after applying the bronzer, I'm going to apply the blush, and for that I'm using Tri Sugar Salmon Superstar blush. This is also one of my favorite blush, and I use it almost in all of my tutorials. If you guys have watched my previous tutorial, you must know that I love applying a lot of blush, and I'm just applying it all over my cheeks and also connecting it through my nose. And then I'm going to carve out my jawline with the help of a translucent powder, and today I'm using the Damn Beauty blender to carve out my jawline. This gives such a nice definition to your face and gives you that chiseled cheeks. So I'm applying it on my jawline and also applying it on my nose with the help of the same beauty blender, and will dust off any excess powder with the help of the powder brush. This one is by Pack, and I freaking love this brush. I think Pack brushes are really good and affordable. So today we are going to do a red lip. So before applying the lipstick, I'm going to apply a lip liner, and today I'm using one by Miss Claire. This is such an affordable lip liner and super pigmented. So I'm just applying the liner on my Cupid's bow and on my lower lip line, and then I will fill out with the help of my favorite red lipstick by NYX Cosmetics. This one is their soft matte lip cream, and this one is in shade Amsterdam. So I've just filled in my lips, and I feel that this is such a perfect red color, and I think it will suit all Indian skin tone. So finishing off this makeup look with the help of some highlighter, and today I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in shade Molten Rose Gold. it guys, this is the final look. Absolutely love how the makeup turned out. Look at this gorgeous glowing base, the proper Bollywood glam look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yes, hit the bell icon, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye my angels.